Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on AMC. Before I get to this update, I want to say if you are looking for a trading platform and if you would like some free stock, head to the comments and description section of this video. If you use that link to sign up for Moomoo, you can receive 10 free stocks. Alright, so AMC had a good blast off on Friday, moved up $1.08 or ended up finishing in the positive 12.5%. So really big move up, really good day here on Friday. I was kind of looking through some of the news stories here, and there was really nothing in the way of news. The only things I could find was the thing moving higher just because it had been mentioned for a potential short squeeze. So no real news here behind this big move up we had on Friday. So let me take a look here at the price action and kind of see what's going on. And you can see that it is approaching a key level here around the $9.80 mark. You can see here, looks like going back to a couple Tuesdays ago in pre-market, this thing ran up to this area at about 980, tried to rally and bust through that, could not. Rejected it, sold off, and continued to work lower until it bled down here to the 789 mark before finally turning around and starting to make a move in a better direction. So that 980 looks key to me here on the 15-minute. I think if we can get a close above that level here on the 15-minute time frame, I could definitely see this thing coming up here to about this 987 mark right here. If we can get above that and close above that, I would look for it to come up here and challenge this area of about 1010 or so. And then to the downside, let's kind of zoom into the tail end here. We had a pretty good bounce here as this thing was ripping off of this level at 946. Let's kind of zoom back out here a little bit, kind of see what we got below that level. So yeah, we bounced here nicely. Buyers kind of stepped in after it retraced a little bit, and there was a little bit of profit taking there. So I think if this thing does start to sell off and move lower, and if we get a close below this $9.45 mark here, I think it's coming all the way down here to test about 932. If it can't hold that level, let's just say the sellers get it below that level and close it below that level here on the 15-minute time frame, I think it's coming all the way down here to this area of about 908. So there's some key prices I'm looking at there to the upside and the downside on the 15-minute time frame. And then also I was just taking a look at financials here, and I was curious what the recent book value per share is, or the book value per share based on the most recent quarter of earnings, and it is in the negative by $4.50. So just keep that in mind. You know, this thing is trading right now up around that $9-10 level. But these shares are pretty much worthless, and they're worth a negative amount of value. You know, these guys are bleeding cash hard. You can see the diluted earnings per share. They're losing $2 per share. So that puts the book value per share at negative 450. So fundamentally, these shares are not even worth a penny in the positive. They're worth negative $4.50. So just keep that in mind here as AMC continues to bleed money and continues to perform horrible financially. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.